is oregano oil? Oregano oil has been widely studied within the scientific community for its vast medical uses. Oregano oil has extremely high levels of free radical fighting antioxidants. Organic oregano oil is nature's potent defender against unwanted invaders and is also an excellent source of vitamins and minerals. It's high in vitamin A, C, E, as well as minerals such as zinc, magnesium, iron, calcium, potassium, copper, manganese, and even niacin. Known as nature's purifier, Global Healing Center's organic oregano oil blend is a premium concentrated blend of oregano oil. It has organic peppermint, it has capsicum oils, and it's in an organic virgin olive oil base. So what are the benefits of taking oregano oil? Well, it may support digestive health, it helps boost the immune system, works on joint and muscle flexibility, great for respiratory health, and may help establish an environment that's toxic to unhealthy organisms within the system. I've personally used oregano oil for many different things over the years, and I highly recommend you keep some in your natural medicine cabinet. When researching oregano oil, though, you want to make sure that you buy a product that's organic and that has at least an 80% carvacrol content in it. That's the main ingredient in oregano oil. To purchase the one I recommend and use on a daily basis, go to globalhealingcenter.com.